Geostationary satellite. A satellite which revolves around the Earth in its equatorial plane with the same angular speed and the same direction as the Earth rotates about its own axis is called geostationary or synchronous satellite. So we assume that this is a satellite launched by geostationary satellite launched by India. So whenever the earth rotating, so let us assume that this is the earth. Okay, so this is the earth. So the earth is like this. So this white color is India. So whenever the earth rotates, the India is also rotating in some direction. So now we can take that this India is rotating in this direction. So it will be rotating in this direction. So we have to launch the satellite in this height, certain height. When the earth rotates, the satellite is also rotating. When the earth rotates, the satellite is also rotating like in this manner. So it is always facing the India. So that's why we can say that the satellite which revolves around the earth in its equatorial plane with the same angular speed and the same direction as the earth rotates is called geostationary satellite. The height of the geostationary satellite can be given as h is equal to t squared. T is a time period for one complete revolution. That is one complete revolution is a 1 day. That is 24 hours. Then r is a radius of this earth. And g is a gravity. And 4 pi squared is a constant. Whole power 1 by 3 minus r. That is the radius of the earth. So, or the planet. So, this is the equation for height of the geostationary satellite. By substituting these are all values, we get an answer. It is approximately 35,930 kilometers. So, all the geostationary satellites are launched and it will be placed at a height of 35 or around 36,000 kilometers from the earth surface. Necessary condition for geostationary satellite. The first condition is it should revolve in an orbit concentric. It will revolve in the orbit with the concentric and coplanar with the equatorial plane of the earth. So the geostationary satellite will revolve in concentric and coplanar with the equatorial plane of the earth. Then the second one is the sense of rotation should be same as that of the earth. So the earth is rotating in the direction of west to east direction. So similarly, the geostationary satellite also rotating in the direction of west to east direction. The next one is the period of revolution around. The period of revolution is T. So the period of revolution around the earth should be exactly as the same as that of the earth. That is 24 hours. So that is a very, very important necessary conditions for geostationary satellite. Then the last one is already we are seeing the height. What height we have to launch? It should be launched approximately around 36,000 kilometers from the earth surface. So these are all the basic necessary conditions for launching a geostationary satellite. Uses of geostationary satellite. It is used in communicating the TV, radio and telephone signals, cell phones. Okay, cell phone towers are satellite communications, telephone signals across the world. So this is the first basic communication purpose. Very importantly, it is a communication purpose. Okay, so the very basic uses of the geostationary satellite is communication purpose. Then the geostationary satellites will act as a reflector of the signal. Then next one is it is used to study the upper region of the atmosphere. It is used to study the upper region of atmosphere. It is used to study the atmospheric pressure and everything. By using these only the weather communications are given to the people, common people. Then the forecasting. So the forecasting weather, studying the method. So weather. So study about the weather forecasting. So it is used for weather forecasting and the meteoroids, study about meteoroids. So meteoroids means if you study about the meteoroids means it will give the idea about the space. And finally it is also used to study about the solar and cosmic rays. So it is used to study about the solar and cosmic rays. These are all the uses of geostationary satellite.